Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and this is going to be your Valentine's special. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So, Libra, this time we're not going to be taking out an angel blessing card because I've already pulled one out for you, for all of you out there who are part of our Omkara family. So, this is the card for you from the universe, the angels, and me here at Omkara. Wishing you a very happy Valentine's Day, Libra. Lots of love, lots of happiness to you. So, put this card here and let's start your reading where we're going to check on to see how your partner's feeling about you today. So let's see, this is just a mini read, 3 cards to see what they're truly feeling, whether you guys are together, apart, what's really going on in their heart space, and if we can tap into what they're feeling and what they want to say to you now. Okay, so let's begin. Libra's person spirit. Bless this reading for Libra, my angel spirit guides, and send messages from their person. Thank you. So the first card is here, second and third. That's it. Bottom of my deck. They seem to be waiting, Libra. Either your person seems to be waiting, the patiently, impatiently, I don't know, or some of them could have turned their back on you as well. I don't know. Let's see. Let's open the rest of the cards to get a clearer picture here. First card is 7 of Wands, 9 of Cups, and the Hermit. All right. So this person is kind of being a bit defensive, it seems here, Libra. They just want to be happy, and if that means staying by themselves and being in hermit mode, then I guess they're saying so be it. Yes, it could mean that they've kind of turned their back right now on this relationship. Libra, please keep in mind the energies sometimes do get flipped, okay? So this could be vice versa. So let me just clarify these. Why is the 7 of Wands here, Spirit? Why is the 7 of Wands here? They don't want things to backfire in a connection which probably had third parties here, Libra. Look at this. They are keeping themselves protected, defending their energy against something which didn't go very well. Maybe there was a third party involved and they don't want to move forward with a relationship which probably can backfire on them or hurt them in the long run. I think all this person wants is to be in the 9 of Cups energy. Normally 10 of Cups is, you with your partner and a happily ever after. But when I see the 9 of Cups, I think this person is preferring to be solo and just be happy in their own life. They don't they don't have any clarity about this relationship, Libra. And maybe they consider you to be not very consistent, maybe a player. And they feel, what's the point if there is going to be no forward movement here? Why should I invest in a relationship which will never take me to that 10 of Cups? So I think they're in hermit mode right now. Hermit spirit? Hermit mode? Hermit? Yes, they feel somebody's been very immature in this relationship and there is no strength in this connection. That's the reason things are totally stagnant right now, Libra. Things are just not moving and they've put themselves, they're hidden away somewhere, and they're totally quiet and in hermit mode and spending time with themselves. 3 of Wands, Spirit? 3 of Wands? I think they've turned their back, Libra. I'm sorry on Valentine's Day to give you a message like this, but your person feels that maybe you don't love them or the love that was there between the two of you has drained out. This person is saying, all right, if it's not going to work, then I might as well see what else is out there and move on, maybe go on for a fresh new beginning or move on with my life. According to them, they feel this relationship is over, Libra. They are maybe moving towards fresh new love now. I'm sorry again, this is not the message I wanted to convey on Yes, maybe some secrets came out which kind of made them feel that there is no long term potential. Maybe somebody was not putting in work towards this relationship and a tower came down. And since then, you guys have not been talking to each other, even though, heart of hearts, I think you both knew there was a lot of love here. They seem like a soulmate connection. But whoever this person is for you, Libra, they don't want to overthink this connection anymore. They don't want to be in a stressful place anymore. They feel that it's better to lose a battle than to stay in a place which is stressful. Things may have come to an end because there's a problem of trust here. Somebody doesn't trust the other anymore. Let's take some messages from the heart. Let's see what they would say if they could. Libra and their person spirit. Libra's person. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. They miss you. I don't think this person is with anyone else, but they're also a bit heartbroken because things haven't worked out. And I don't think they expect it to work out either. One more. Libra's person spirit. I'm under so much stress. Yes, this person is trying to get over their stress and tension of having whatever went wrong. Libra, of course, each of you will have different stories here, but something went wrong in this relationship in the past. Do you think about me? Because they definitely do. I don't see this person having moved on yet. But yes, they may be thinking of moving ahead now and giving up this connection, but they still do wonder if on Valentine's Day, are you thinking about them too? So let's take one card from the Divine Masculine to the Feminine and one from the Feminine to the Masculine. What would the Masculine like to say to his Feminine today's spirit? One card. One card as to what the Masculine would really like to say to this Feminine in this dynamic. I'm afraid, one second, wear my glasses. I'm afraid that that if I come back into your life, that I'll hurt you again. Yes, maybe they've already hurt this feminine once because of third parties and whatever, and they feel maybe it's better that we both go our separate ways. Maybe they have some kind of addiction, or they don't trust themselves that they can be loyal or take this relationship to a, full space here. So this masculine is saying, I'm afraid that if I come back into your life, that I'll hurt you once again. Let's see what the feminine wants to say to the masculine. Feminine to the masculine here, Spirit. The journey has been difficult but needed. I'm proud of who I've become. All these hard lessons, maybe they've become spiritual, they've become enlightened, maybe they've become stronger, maybe they've moved on. Whatever they have learned from this relationship, they're still not blaming the masculine, but saying, hey, it's been difficult, but I guess I needed it. I needed to know my self-worth. I needed to love myself first. And I'm proud of who I've become now. Almost like thanking this pain that has happened between the two of you. So that's all I have for you, Libra. I'm sorry, this is not the sweetest of messages, but yes, that's all I have. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.